Kajelang Executive Committee Chong Commonwealth Parliamentary Association CPA Indian Zone 3 and Executive Council Northeast Regional Institute of Parliamentary Studies Training and Research Kabalong Hapaywood Hotel Shillong Men Hakalai Puitri Kulalkot Arajar Arway Kalarai Ben ïakren Kamba Shushu Halo Kimat Kibakta Yakatai Northeast Kajelang Kretai Rubon Haka 18th Annual Conference of CPA India Region Zone 3 But Upasang di Sona Ulampang Gayeng Dobato Ain Kajala Arunachal Pradesh Ul Ajimut Ban Penlong Yaka Hakateo Ba Arjong Banayong Ulampang Gayeng Dobato Ain Kajala Megalia Ba Med Balingdo Ulampang Gayeng Dobato Ain Kajala Assam Ubaswaji Daimari Usumbut Lampang Gayeng Dobato Ain Kajala Arunachal Pradesh Tisampang Bat Kiwei Ki Lampang Bat Sumbut Lampang Gayeng Dobato Ain Maper Kijala Thai Northeast Kilai Dan Lang Hagajelang Habakren Hakilat Thai Kubor Hadian Kajelang Uba Med Ba Lingdo Ulapentep Babaro Ki Assembly Secretariat Na Pratali Kijala Thai Northeast Kilatrua Banirkan Kam Kongsan Yekimat Kibai Day Bat Katain Bat Chua Kasantri Rompang Arajar Arpuan Bansapa Yagajingto.
The main agenda today in the CPA meeting is basically for finalization of the date of the CPA Zone 3 conference of all the Northeast states. So it was decided that this time the next conference of the CPA Zone 3 will be held in Itanagar in the second week of March, because the chairman of the CPA is happens to be the Honorable Speaker of the Arunachal Pradesh. Apart from the CPA, we had also the Executive Council of the Native Star, which is the Northeast Regional Institute for Parliamentary Studies and Training and Research. Basically, this institution is in Khanapara and Guwahati. They have started the construction of the building long ago. It's been completed also, but the objective of setting up this institution in Northeast is basically to impart trainings, extend supports to all the legislators of the entire Northeastern states assemblies, and also to the officials and of these assemblies. Because as of now, all the legislators of different states have to attend these training workshops, programs in Delhi only, in Lok Sabha. So we felt that this is the need of the hour, because of the distance, because of the location of things. So we felt that it's a high time that we should have our own training, team here in Assam. So we decided that we should move a little fast on this matter, and which we will, the Executive Council has authorized to initiate the matters at the earliest. For me, being the president of the Native Star, and along with the appointed director today, Mr. Hemandas, who is the principal secretary of the Assam Legislative Assembly, will initiate how this institution is functioning at the earliest.